Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Video is going to be real quick. We're going to jump in this. We're going to do a 5-tire rotation on a Jeep Wrangler. So stick around, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do on our 5-tire rotation, take the spare. You normally see I got all the tires off the Jeep, so we're going to take our spare. We're going to go to the passenger front with our spare. So once we get up here, we're going to take the passenger front, and now it's going to become the passenger rear. So this is our passenger rear now. This will become our driver's side front. This one will become our driver's side rear. And then this one will become our spare. And that is a 5-tire rotation. Just make sure you complete this process about every 5,000 miles. Just follow the same steps that I just did, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share the video. Thanks, guys.